teams that come in don't like to play there, and a lot of that has to do with how close the fans are to the court, how loud it is in that facility, and it's something that our players are used to and something that they embrace, and our fans are really, they really drive the energy in that building, and it drives our teams at home to be very good.
You might only get 50 students to 100 in here, but it's so loud that sometimes they can't even hear on the court to call plays. Whenever you win at home, and it feels like you're a part of the team when you won, because, you know, we got to go out on the court, break it down with the team. Just being, with us being a small atmosphere here at school, it's just funny.
I mean, it's just exciting. You know, I know that we're going to have an advantage coming into home games. I know that we have a better shot at winning playing here, and that's the best part of it is that it's at least 10-point advantage, I think, that we know we got a better shot playing here.
I saw that it was really small, and it really didn't bother me. But then when Coach D was saying about how the atmosphere was just amazing playing, that really got me to come because I really just wanted to feel it.
You come in the gym and on game nights, it's totally different. It changes completely. It turns into a ruckus, or like it's just crazy in here. It's a big motivation for us to come out here and win for, you know, our fans that are out here and they're cheering us on, screaming, going crazy. They make it very hard for other teams to win in these buildings.
Covered in so special is because you're sitting there, you're on the baseline, you're on the court, you're watching the game. It keeps you in the game. We get loud. We love watching our team here. We love supporting our team. It can only make a great atmosphere even better. It's going to be good for the school to get their name out there, bring kids in. It's going to help recruits come. It's just going to help the school out tremendously.
To know for sure that we can play in here next year would be amazing. If we can get it fixed, we'll always be in here. We won't have to go somewhere else to play. That's always a good idea, so it would be really good.
I think it helps recruiting, and if they come on a recruiting visit during a game, you know, and they see what it's like on game day, that's when we want our recruits to come because they're like, wow, I want to play in this atmosphere.
Me as a player, that would mean a lot, knowing that our administration cares enough about their sports team to, you know, reach out and fix the roof so that we wouldn't have to cancel practices or cancel games and things like that. That would show a level of care for their student athletes. It's a luxury to have. A lot of schools don't have this kind of, you know, setup right on campus, walking right to the gym from your dorm room and being able to practice, you know, things like that. You know, it's a good luxury to have being here at Virginia Intermont.
It's one of the few places where we have on-campus facility. And when you have an on-campus facility, you know, the students can walk out of their dorms and they can walk across campus and be a part of something that's exciting and enthusiastic and energetic. And that's important. You know, outside of athletics, the facility can be used by different entities here on campus to host a variety of different events inside in a nice atmosphere and one that can accommodate a lot of different things here on campus.